Welcome to my channel. Here we have 1 plus 2 times 5 minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 5. We first of all solve our exponents, which is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 will give us 8. We put down our 8. Then we have 1 plus 2 times 5 minus 8 minus 5. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. Then we have 3 times 5 minus 8 minus 5. 3 times 5 will give us 15. Then we have 15 minus 8 minus 5. 15 minus 8 will give us 7. Then we have 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. 2 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from our left to our right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our exponent, which is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 into 3 places. Then it will give us 8. Then we'll put down our 8. Then we have 1 plus 2 times 5 minus 8, then minus 5. So first of all solve our multiplication because it comes first before addition and subtraction. So 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then we'll put down our 10. Then we have 1 plus 10 minus 8 minus 5. We solve our addition first because addition and subtraction have equal priorities. So we move from our left to our right. 1 plus 10 will give us 11. Then we have 11 minus 8 minus 5. 11 minus 8 will give us 3. Then 3 minus 5 will give us negative 2. So negative 2 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.